This is how the inside looks without the mood light or the LED lights. Let's switch on the vehicle now. There we go. Now tell me what you all think. Yep. This would cost approximately $200 for someone to do this. And you know a girl friends. Ryan is going to do it. See ya. So So my friends, it's evening time again. No.
Yeah.
It's evening time again.
Yeah.
As you know, we have to get Ikma when we can get him. He's lining up. We're gonna try and start the vehicle right now. Yeah. Ikma just dropping in that bolt. Battery is on. Is on. Yeah, come on, ready?
Yeah, ready.
See what's going on with this.
Go on. Here, go.
Start. Yeah. 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 Yeah, people. Love all that sound. Yes. Yes. So here we are, guys. Ikma putting up the mud guard now. The bonnet is up. Engine cover on. Yeah. Everything's secured inside the engine. That part is complete. So yeah, guys, tell me what you think. All right, YouTubers, okay, my friends, so this is the finishing look of the engine. Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test these lights in the night and let you guys have a look at how it functions. But it's looking real good on the vehicle. Right, I'm gonna replace the bonnet. Last night we finished working about 10:30 p.m. Everything is up. So do a road test now. So I have two major things left to do. One, these tires. I'm gonna change these tires. These tires are highway, right? I'm gonna get all terrain. So I'm gonna go by the tire shop, pick up 4 all-terrain tires, change front and back wheels, get some all-terrain tires. These do the job, right? But I had a couple instances while I was going camping where I got some skid and I had to put the truck in 4-wheel drive when I think I should not have had to, and I think the wheels contributed to that. But for most parts the highways got the job done, but I'm gonna just switch it over with some beautiful all-terrain tires. And the last major work I'm gonna do is to install some mood lights into the vehicle. Yeah, I had some mood lights from last year that I did not install. I'm gonna install that as well. Some LED mood lights. So there we go, back home, and there, see the old tires back. There were highway. Now we have the all terrain on the vehicle. So the next stop, installing the music light inside there. So I'm almost done, guys. Macho man, yo, wanna make me unleash the dragon into the wild. Yes, guys, as you can see, his voice activated. Not looking bad, right? It's uneven there, but as I said, I'm not a professional, but I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied. Here, and we have it, the footlight, but I'll show you guys some videos of it in the night. So this is how the inside looks without the mood light or the LED lights. Let's switch on the vehicle now. There we go. Now tell me what you all think. Yep. This would cost approximately $200 for someone to do this. And you know I got the friends. Ryan is going to do it. See ya. So the footwell, lights there, the street there on the dash, and on the doors, front and back. And there's also a light down inside this here housing on the door, storage housing. Yeah. Looking good. Let me know what you think. So this vehicle being a 2014, and the seats is leather. Most of it is leather, and we also have fabric on the sides, so ventilation. Right, these are the original Ford Ranger Wildtrak seats. Right, so what I'm doing now on this here microfiber cloth, I have some lithium hide conditioner from a company by the name of Hide Rehab. This is used to polish the leather, right? This gets out the shine, beautiful black color of this here leather, as well as the orange, as well as it protects it. As you know, in Jamaica it's very hot, so preserving the seat. And we just started, and you can see that. Try to rub it in circular motion, get it in the cracks. As you all know, the leather, it's animal skin, so it will get dry, being that the animal is not alive. So this conditioner really helps to protect the seats. And these seats, see, I have not done that side as yet, and as you can see, the seats are looking so good. So the car seats are finished. Clean them up with the leather cleaner, right, to also protect them. So now I'm gonna move on to the new headlights that are installed. I have here a product from Maguire. It's a headlight coating. So this goes for the new headlights, as headlamps, as well as the older ones. Right? It comes with a score pad, as well as the cream for those vehicles that have the entire light damaged by the sun and the rain, giving it a dark color. But it can also be used this year to spray your new headlamps and protect them so they don't get damaged any at all. And they say we can do this twice a year, so I'm just gonna clean off lens, the soap and water, and then spray on the protection. So I'm gonna hold the can 6 to 8 inches away from the headlamp, and I'm gonna move in a spray in a horizontal fashion, overlapping by 50%. I'm gonna do that on the other side as well. And I'm gonna allow this to dry for approximately 15 minutes because the time is now cool. If it was hot, I would just give it 5 to 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna give it a second coat. And that will be it. Yeah. So give it a wash. Chaplain decent. White. Even Ryan have to go look on it. Yeah. Yeah, people. Love all that sound. Yes. Yes. Couldn't even wait till them finalize some of my